What is up, guys? It's Nelson here. Haven't made a video since Sunday. Meal prep, released it Monday. I hope everybody enjoyed that. I hope that helped some people out and got you out of your confusion so you know how to do everything. It is kind of cold outside, but the sun's supposed to come out later, so that's good. Anyway, nice foggy morning. It's around 8 o'clock. We're fixing to hit chest and tricep, I think. I can't remember what the workout is. Anyway, gonna go over some chest tips for you guys. Building bigger chest. I lack there very bad. Christian does not lack there as much, but we're gonna teach you how to fix it. So other than that, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so back when I was talking about chest, first thing that I was gonna talk to you guys about was I struggle a lot with my chest, build my chest. It's one of my weak points. So I've been doing quite a bit of research and stuff like that, and trying to put it into my workout. So the first thing that I've kind of figured out is if you roll your shoulders back, kind of arch your back up on the bench, when you grab, bench up, you can tell that there's no stress on your triceps. So you come down and up, and you can feel it all the way up to the top of your pecs, all the way through. Tell a big difference as to where I'm laying flat, where I can feel my shoulders engaging the front of my delts and my triceps when I squeeze at the top. And you keep that tension on your chest, and you can really feel it stretch those muscles. So that's just a quick little tip for you guys. Next little chest workout we're going to do, there's called plate pinches. That's what I call them, or what everybody else calls them. Push these plates together, go out in front of you. So push your pecs and keep tension. Time under tension is everything when it comes to building, muscle and stuff like that. Just keep it pushed together. What's up guys, Nelson here. I hope you enjoyed the little workout and a couple little tips and tricks I gave you at the beginning of the workout. It is about 4:30 in the afternoon. We worked out this morning around 10 and I was waiting to publish the video because I had a little treat coming in the mail to kind of help the YouTube channel get some better video for you guys. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket. This is a gimbal operated camera, no shaky. I've noticed some of my videos have been kind of shaky at working out and trying to hold the GoPro and all that. So this will kind of remove the shake, and this beats the price of a Hero 7. So I'm just going to open this thing up real quick and show it to you guys. And then starting tomorrow we'll have our first video shot with it. Get this thing open. Oh, give me a pair of scissors. So yeah, this thing was on sale for $349 because of the SD card. Went ahead and purchased a 2-year warranty. It's not waterproof or any of that. It's not like the GoPro, basically indestructible. This camera can, break. But yeah, you can hook your phone into it and run it. And you don't have to, but it is app compatible. So yeah, I think it'll be quite convenient to have. Get this thing packaged. They have the serial numbers on the back, and that's what they done with our drone too, and I ripped those up and we had to piece them back together, so I'm trying to be kind of careful with this back page. There we go. Okay. So now we'll take a look at this thing. There it is, very small camera. This is the actual camera. This will be, when it's charged, the gimbal keeps stabilization. So yeah, I'm super excited and hopefully making some high quality content for you guys. But other than that, thanks for watching. #ProjectComeback. See you guys next time.